If you want to search B2B data from the Google, then you are on the right place. Hello friends, my name is Mahavir and today I will show you one extension which will be a part of the Chrome from where we can extract the B2B data using only simple two things. One is the keyword, second is the area. So here is the extension. When you open it, you will get this window. So here we need to ensure only two things. One is keyword. In this case, I'm going to extract chartered accountants from the Jamnagar. So instead of a particular area, you need to enter the pin code for the accurate data information, because pin code is a very valid information for searching the location. It is recommendation you use the pin code, but if you want to enter the name, then you can also enter the area name. The data will be searched based on that particular criteria. This software is not limited to the India. Any part of the world you can search. For example, you want to search hotels, restaurants, doctors in London. So you have to enter your keyword, let's say hotels, and then location is London. All information will be extracted over here. Then we can export this into the Excel, and then we can save in our database and we can manage our data, and then we can generate the leads. So I'm going to search chartered accountant in this pin code. Let's get started. So I have to click on start extracting. Now the data searching has been begun. Now you have to wait few seconds. So data has been searched by the software. Once you are done with it, you have to click on stop extracting. If you want to scrap the emails, then click on scrap emails. So if any email addresses will be found, that will appear over here. So once you are done, then click on stop scrapping emails. After that, all results will be over here. We can also search other keywords that will be inserted after this data. So after you are done, then click on download. The data will be downloaded in the CSV file, which will open in the Excel. Then you have to copy paste in proper place in separate Excel file to consolidate your data, and then you can generate your leads. So this is how our software is working. If you need this software, just go to our website veerinfotech.in, or you can call the given numbers. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please come back again.